Welcome to the crazy vlog. We're a little early, but it's getting warm already. We brought out the RWB 970 Mach 1 and the GT3. We have RWB Nova coming also later. Are those already track? Wow, track stains. So funny, I've been called Joey 3 times already this morning. Everyone, welcome to Circuit Makati. Thank you so much to Ayala for letting us use half the road today so we can do a photo shoot for the shop.angiemeadking.com page. Now, if you guys are looking for merch, we are making more merch at the middle of this year. So we're going to be posting some of the caps, bags, and t-shirts, and we have new merch on the way also from the USA. It's going to be a surprise, so you got to come back and stay tuned for that. We brought out 3 beautiful babies, but we have one more baby coming today. It's going to be RWB Noah, which we haven't seen in like 4 years. It's been in the shop so long, but it's finally running. 458 GT3 is always a star. The 997 RWB, which just got finished, and the beautiful 69 Mach 1 over there. I'm gonna go get ready with the models. Chola is here to help us with the video, and then we have Cyril for the photos. Hopefully everything goes to plan. We wanted to do an early call time, but it's so hot already. But again, it's gonna be exciting, and I can't wait to see the finished product. See you guys later. the official photographer today, and I saw some of the photos and they look amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Angie.
You guys can give him a follow. I'll post his Instagram right here. So hot. Okay, loading the 458 and then we're gonna go on our way. We're back in the RWB. Wow, Troller really pulled the handbrake up. We're gonna drop off the RWB in carport so that we can pick up the old and new, because Kevin's gonna finish the body. We're gonna do the chin and all the other little details for the car so that we can finish the car and really showcase it off already. But it did well for the photo shoot today. Super happy with how it turned out. The 458 is gonna go back to the condo. Huge shout out to the team from Angie Mead, Cyril, our photographer, Cholo, our videographer, the models, and then also Pia, our makeup artist. Everyone did an amazing job. We did super fast work. Circuit Makati for taking care of us, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed all this. I had to reload the car because the rocks wouldn't let the bed go up, so just waiting for them to get the car back on board, and can't wait to actually give this a rip. We have the GoPro right here. It actually sounds so good when the valves open and you can hear the change in exhaust note because of the 4.3 liter conversion. It really is very distinct. First gear is insane. Kevin fixed the alignment of the rear fenders. Okay, executive decision. I think we're gonna make a rear diffuser. Just a simple one. Just to fill in the high rear looking tail. We also asked Norman to fix the headlights because the headlights bounce around when we're driving at night. So hopefully that's stable already and everything works. Okay, I think we're going to leave both cars here. Ask Noy to pick me up and basically fix both cars. We're gonna add a rear diffuser to the old and new. And this is to go back to Garage 2233 after we do the body work. And then we're gonna pass by Second Skin one last time to sort out some little things. I think the Rawelt banner is a little too big. And then I wanna add the name Ava on the hood stripe. So it's similar to Noah. Kevin's gonna finish the Sikaflex, and we have some rubbing on the fenders also. So gotta sort all that out. You'll have to wait till the next vlog to hear this car because it sounds primo. See you guys again soon.